Hello students, today we are going to start our third lesson, addition without carrying over. Now, in addition without carrying over, first question is what? Remove page number 19. Now observe the example based on the pictures, complete them by adding units to units, tens to tens and hundreds to hundreds. Okay, now first question is what? Okay, now we have to add units to units, tens to tens, hundreds to hundreds. Now first we will start from units. Now in first number, which number is there? 1. Okay, we have to draw 1 circle. Then second, we have to add 3. So we will draw 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have to add this all. Okay. Now first 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. Okay. Now next 2 plus 1. We have to add 2 and 1. So here we will draw line. 1, 2, then 1. So we have to add all this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Have you understood till here? Okay. Now next we have to plus 1 plus 2. So we will draw 1 and 2 balls. Okay. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. Then answer is 3. Okay. So in 100 there is answer 3. Then tens 3. Units 4. Have you understood? So next we have to write like this. In 100 place 100 tens units. Okay. In 100 1 tens 2 unit 1. Okay. Next line in 100 line 2, in tens line 1 and units line 3. Okay. Now we have to add all these. So 1 plus 3 we have written 4. Then you have to write 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. Understood? 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. This is the answer. Have you understood this? Okay. Now next question is what? Look at the picture and write the numbers. Add the numbers. Okay. Now we have to write. See this question. Okay. Look at the pictures and write the numbers. Add the numbers. So second is 100 is 1, tens is 1 and unit is 2. So we will write here 100, tens and unit. Okay. Now in next line there is in 100 place 2, then tens place 1 and in units place 5. See here in 100 is 1, in tens is 1 and unit is 2. So like this we have to write in this box. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. Now we will add all these numbers. So we have to write like this. 2 plus 5. Now we have to draw two balls first. Okay? Then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to add all this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many? 7. Okay? Now 1 plus 1 is, okay, 1 plus 1 is 1, 2. Then you have to write here 2. Okay? Now we will draw how many in hundreds? Which number is there? 1. Then we will draw 1 tree. Okay? Then next 2. Then we will draw 2 trees. So 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. So answer is 3, 2, 7. Okay? Have you understood, students? Very good. Okay, students. Now in page number 20, there is the question C. Carry out and observe the following addition. Now we will do this sum. Okay? Okay. Now first question is what? Okay? Now, first question is what? 54 plus 20. Now we have to add this. Okay? Now 4 plus 0 is 4. Understood? 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay? Now 5 plus 2. How we will add? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. So 1, 2. Then we will add this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now you have to write here 7. Okay. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 2 we got 7. So here 74 is the answer. Understood, student? Okay. Now next question we will do here. Okay. Now second question is what? 20 plus 54. Okay. Now, okay, now 0 plus 4 is 4. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. Same question is here, but see here. In this question, 4 is in up and 0 is down. And this question, 0 is in up and 4 is down. Okay? Now next question is what? 70 plus 8. So we will do here. Okay, now third is 7, 0, 8, plus always it is, if you have the question like this, 7 plus 8, add in vertical. So you have to write like this. See here, 70 first, then 8. Where you will write 8? Always write, if is one digit number, if it is one digit number, you have to write from, start writing from right side, not from the left side. Okay? Always start writing from right side. Have you understood? Okay, very good. Now see here. 0 plus 8 is 8. Understood? Now 7, in 7 there is no number. Okay, now we have to write exact that number down. Okay, we got answer 78. Have you understood? Now I will do next question. 75. Fourth question we will do. 75 plus 13. Okay. Now we have to add 5 and 3. So we will draw first 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we will draw 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Now we will add all these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what answer we will get here is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we have to add 7 plus 1. Okay. Now we will draw lines. First we will draw 7 lines. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1. So we will add all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we got 8. So we will write here 8 plus 8 is 88. Now we will get answer 88. Have you understood this question? Carry out and observe the following addition. Have you understood, students? Okay, very good. Now we will do next question. Add. Okay. Now first question is what? 376 plus 2. Okay. Now we have to draw a box. So we will draw a box. Okay. Now here we have to write in 100, tens, unit place the numbers. So first we will write 376. So we will write 6 in unit. This is unit, this is tens and this is hundreds. Okay. This is units, this is tens and this is 100. So we will write here in unit place which number is there? 6. So we will write first 6. Okay. Now in tens place which number is there? 7. So we will write in tens place first 7. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. Now in 100 place which number is there first? 3. Okay. Now in this side which number is there? 2. And how many number is there? Only 1. So we have to write in unit place. Always remember you have to start from the right side. Okay. So here we will write in unit place 2. So we will add this all. See here 6 plus 2. So we will draw here some balls. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number is there, 6 ball. So 2 number is there, we will draw 1, 2. Okay. Now we will add all this. So we have to count this ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the answer is 8. Okay. Okay. Now here we will write 7 and 3 because no number is here. Understood? Then if number is there we have to add, but here is no number. So we have to write like that only. Okay? Yes. Have you understood, students? Now we will start second sum. Okay. Now second question is 403 plus 6 4 means 64. Okay. Now you all have to write in box. See here, like this box you have to draw. Okay. Now we will draw the box. Now you have to write hundreds, tens, units. Okay. In this number you will write unit, tens and 100. Okay. Now 64. There are 2-digit number. So we will write first unit and tens. Okay. Have you understood? Always write this so you don't have difficulty to do this in box. Okay. Now, first number is 403. So we will write in unit place big number is 403. So we will write big number in first. So 304. Okay, 3 in unit place, tens in 0 in tens place, and 4 is 100 place. Okay, you have to write like this. Now 64. Now 4 in unit place is 4 and tens place is 6. Okay. Now we have to write this. We have to write this and plus it. So we have the first number we have to add 3 plus 4. Now see, we will draw 3 trees. Okay. First, second, third. Okay, now here 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you understood? Now we have to add all this. Yes? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have to write here 7. Okay? 7. Now we have to add 0 plus 6. 0 means nothing. So we have to write 6 like this only. Okay? Now in 4, there is only 4. No number is there. Then we have to write 4 as it is. Have you understood these two questions? Okay. Now I am explaining one more. So, see here. Now I am explaining this arrange vertically and add. Okay. So we will write arrange vertically and add. First sum is 664 plus 220. So we will solve here. Okay. Now for next question is our arrange vertically and add. Now first question is what? 664 plus 220. Okay. Now we will draw a box. Hundred tens units. Now first we will write here. This is unit, tens, 100. Okay. And this unit, tens, 100. So first we will write 4, 6, 6, then plus 0, 2, 2. Now we will plus all this. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is, now we will draw balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Now we will add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will get 8. Now 6 plus 2, same number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 884. Have you understood this question? Okay. Okay students, we have now solved arrange vertically and add. Have you understood this question? Okay. Now we will start next question are study the following addition carried out in horizontal arrangement. Now we have to solve the question in a horizontal way. Add in horizontal arrangement. So we will do this question. Okay. Now first question is 5, 2, 7 plus 2, 6, 1. Okay. Now the way we have to draw and write this sum, see here. First we will write 5, 2, 7 plus 2, 6, 1. Okay. Now, now 7 plus we have to do 7 plus 1. Okay, from this last number till this last number. Okay, we have to first add 7 plus 1. Then second we have to add 2 plus 6. Okay, then we have to add 5 plus 2. Have you understood this? Okay, now we will add this. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 2 plus 6 is, so 6 plus 2. Now 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will get your 8. Okay. Now we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 2. 1, 2. So we will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we got answer 7. So if we will add 527 plus 261, we will get 788. Okay. Have you understood this? Okay. Now next page, page number 21, next question is addition of 3 numbers. Okay. Now we will add in 3 numbers. Okay, now first question is addition of 3 numbers. Now first question is what? We have to draw first table. Okay, now first number is, we will write tens and units. Only 2-digit number is there, so we will write only tens and units. So we will write first 2, 1, 1, 5 and 1, 2. So we have to plus all this. So how will you plus all this? 1, draw first one circle, then 5, then draw 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8. The answer is we got 8. Now we have to add 2 plus 1 and 1 plus 2. So we will draw first 2 lines, then 1 line, then 1 line. So we will add all this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we get answer 4. So answer is 48. Have you understood, students? Now next question is 453 plus 104 plus 112. Now I will show how to solve that. Till here have you understood, students? Understood. Very good. Now first question is what? 453, okay, plus 104 plus 112. So, we have to draw first box. We have to draw first columns, okay. Now, units, tens, hundred. So, we will write first unit, tens, hundreds, okay. Now, in this number, which number we will write in unit place? First 2, then 1, okay, then 1 in tens and 100 in 1, okay. Like this you have to write in all numbers, okay. Now, we have to write here first 453, then 104, then 112. We have to plus all this. Okay, students. Now, we will draw first 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2. 1, 2. So, we will add all these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we got 9. Okay. Now, 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay. Now, 5 plus 1 is 6. So, we will write here 6. Okay. Now, here is 4. So, we will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, then 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6. So, answer is 669. Okay. Have you understood this 3 digits number solving? Okay. Okay, students. Today we have learned addition without carrying over. Okay. So, I hope you all understand. If have any question, then ask me. Okay.